So this is the new Sony ZV1. So let's have a look inside and see what we've got. Instructions. Yeah. Dead cat. USB lead. Battery. Camera. That's it. So what have we got in here? It's the new Sony ZV1. Very nice. So I did bring to work with me some extra cases just to test to see if it's going to fit in. Look at that. Don't even have to buy a case. Perfect spare battery in there. In fact, this case might almost be too big. Put that on the belt. These low pro bags, I really like these. I've got a few different sizes. There's little pockets and stuff in here. Very handy. So that's $0. Extra cost. Excellent. All right. And also we got the battery pack, the rechargeable battery pack. So what are we getting here? Don't even get a lead, just a bunch of accessories. You get the little Sony battery pack, which I presume slides open. And we'll put the original one in. And then we can put our battery in. And normally what I would do if I'm out on the road is I'll have another battery bank and I'll actually charge these off a battery bank. Well, that's the plan anyway. And there we are, it's charging. So I've just got it on a 1 amp charger here at work. I've probably got a 2 amp one, but I don't know where it is. So dead cat, let's have a look here. So that one's gonna fit onto up here for the microphones. That's pretty cool, love it. Our SD card goes in here, the battery goes in here. Got the nice flip out screen. This one articulates so you can rotate it to however you want. Very nice.